ಹಲೋ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಚಾನಲ್ ಗೈಸ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇಂಟ್ರೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಹಾ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್, ಡಿಲಿಷಿಯಸ್. We had just opened our brand new academy known as Notes of Karnadu, NOK, at GCCRPF Bengaluru. CRPF stands for Central Reserve Police Force. For the startup, we have started only drums, keyboard, and guitar. In further future, it might get bigger. Oh my God! It all started with all these guys. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ, ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫೇತ್. Mainly in the faith. Let me come to the main track. Yes, it's been successful of 2 months for our academy. Sorry for the inconvenience, the video getting delayed. I hope this doesn't repeat in future. Apart from that all, we won't just teach them the music. We teach them how to stand out from the crowd, become a solo performer or the showstopper. In the sense of Kannadದಲ್ಲಿ we say ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ. Rather than that, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋಕೆ just one reason. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಗೋ ಟು ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್, ಹಸಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ 9 to 5 ಜಾಬ್ and repeat it for the lifetime. Apart from this all, there is another world. We are going to show the new world. It's known as music. We just don't teach them. We fill them with the belief that they can win wherever and whenever. If they do have some little bit of concentration and interest in them, we believe that we will win. Here every note tells you a story. If you do have some little bit of interest, please visit once and subscribe for more music moments. It will be posted on YouTube.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ